Hey, so if your attachments aren't uploading in Trello, yeah, that can slow down your workflow big time. Maybe files get stuck, fail to upload, or just don't appear at all. In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step fixes to get attachments working again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Uploading files requires a strong connection, and interruptions can cause failures. Next, check the file size. Trello has upload limits depending on your plan, so if the file is too large, it won't upload. Sometimes, yeah, so certain file formats can cause issues. Try uploading a different format to see if that fixes the problem. Give your browser a quick refresh. Temporary glitches can interrupt uploads, and a reload often fixes it. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies. Stored data can sometimes interfere with file uploads. Try disabling extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. These can block upload requests. If uploads still fail, switch to another browser or device. This helps you check if it's a device-specific issue. And finally, if you're using integrations like Google Drive or Dropbox, make sure they're properly connected. Broken connections can stop attachments from uploading. So yeah, that's how to fix Trello attachments not uploading. Most of the time, it's just a small issue that's easy to fix once you go through these steps. If this helped, subscribe for more quick tech guides.